Hello and welcome to another episode of Wellness Wednesday with Dr. Mike Morris at Chittenden Dental in Burlington, Vermont. Today I want to talk about nutrition and its correlation with dental health. So, of course, eating a balanced diet, and you can definitely do some research and find out what that means. Color really is one of the simplest things, a variety of color in your foods, and also as much raw or unprocessed foods as possible to really get the most nutrients without cooking them off or saving them off from different methods besides being raw. And so one of the best ways to kind of think about this is shopping the outside of the grocery store. So if you notice, the produce, the bakery, the meat and fish are all on the outside of the grocery store. So if you just stay on the outside parameter of the grocery store, that's a great place to find those foods I've discussed. Of course, also I think important to talk about is the form of the food that we're getting. And so it's not equivalent to have a pureed version of an apple versus eating an apple, mostly in children, because you see the mouth and the face grow from stimulus. Unlike the long bones of the body, which have programmed growth. I'm quite tall, 6'4", 6'5". I was programmed to be this tall. What I did, if I ran, if I didn't, if I played basketball, if I didn't, I don't think would have much effect on that. Although the mouth, what we eat and how we eat it will affect the way that our mouth grows. So in a young child, once they're able to chew well and they have enough teeth, chewing a piece of apple is much different than just gulping down a bunch of applesauce, because that chewing, that force, will help to stimulate the growth of the mouth and the face. So very, very important. And finally, of course, avoiding any processed or highly starchy, sugary foods, such as any of those things you find again in the middle of the grocery store in little packages or boxes. Overall, it's just a great principle to follow. So I hope this was informative, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.